U.S. tariffs are now in effect on imports from several countries, and those countries failed to meet a midnight deadline to make trade deals with the Trump administration. ABC's Selena Wang has the latest from the White House.
Stocks mostly lower today on Wall Street as Trump's sweeping tariffs took effect at midnight. More than 90 countries now facing tariffs ranging from 15% to as high as 41% on their goods coming into the U.S., with almost all imported goods subject to a 10% tariff.
The tariffs, I think, we're taking in hundreds of billions of dollars in tariffs.
Roughly a dozen countries, including the UK, Japan, and South Korea, have worked out trade deals, but others facing steep levies. Switzerland hit with a 39% tariff. The owner of a Geneva watch store is predicting U.S. sales will plummet.
Right now, we're living the nightmare that we had hoped wouldn't come to be, where we're basically going to have to put the American market kind of on pause.
Other countries are scrambling to find alternative customers to the U.S. market.
This is an opportunity for Brazil to become less dependent, to diversify markets.
The tariffs will be paid by American companies, which many say will then pass costs on to consumers. A report from Yale Budget Lab shows it could cost the average household an additional $2,400 this year. Experts warning Americans could now face higher prices on everything from electronics and toys to clothes, furniture to produce and cars.
I actually purchased a car because I was worried about the tariffs coming up, honestly.
The president is betting tariffs will drive up manufacturing in the U.S., but many business owners, especially small businesses, say it just isn't realistic to make products in the U.S.
It's not just the product, putting it together. That could be done here. It would be more expensive here, and we'd have to pass that on to consumers.
The president also says more tariffs could be on their way, including an across-the-board 100% tariff on semiconductors. That could drive up prices on everything from electronics, appliances, and cars. Selena Wang, ABC News, the White House.